Yo, what's going on there? YouTube and wherever else. I might actually put this in a couple other places soon. We got another video here now with all the stuff going on in America and around the world. I'm gonna ask why is this important? We're doing the let's see, let's zoom in here. The Armenia, Azerbaijan. This is Armenia right here. Now this app is kind of wild. One of the other videos I did, I'll put a link to this one, the China, South China Sea I did a couple of years ago. On the computer, it doesn't really work that well, but we're gonna do the Azerbaijan and Armenia and Nagorno-Karabakh right here in the middle, this contested region. We're doing a video about that today and why that matters. Now in America, just recently, I'll see if I can find a link to the video. There was a protest in LA where they blocked streets and had Armenian flags everywhere because the Armenian diaspora in America is really huge and around the world it's very big. So like I said, if you don't know, there's a conflict going on. Let's see, we'll zoom out a little bit here. This is, I believe, the Caspian Sea. We got the Black Sea here, which is very important trading and military stuff because Russia and Ukraine got that whole deal going on there with Crimea, the Dardanelles and like this Istanbul here. It goes out to the Mediterranean. Russia needs that, so that's why they take that serious because they need a warm water port because everything else is frozen. Just a little backstory here. And then we have Armenia and Azerbaijan, which used to both be part of the Soviet Union and collapsed. They had some fighting going on, and Armenia was able to seize back, this area right here, which is where all the stuff is going on. And, it's just conflict between these two, governments or whatever. So for those of you that don't know, that's like a small, rundown of this little immediate area now. The reason why this is important, Turkey, if you don't know, for a lot of people, has been expanding into Libya, into Syria, Iraq. You know what I mean? Like, you know, messing with Greece. Russia has to be nice to them. A lot of people do so they can get through this stuff here, so they can trade, and a lot of these countries here can have access to the rest of the world, stuff like that. And like I said, Azerbaijan's got a lot of oil. Armenia's landlocked. They have like a lot of lakes and streams and stuff. South Caucasus Mountains. So let's zoom in here and start reading some of these little things here now. Let's see. Look at that airplane. Russian diplomacy. Second Moscow visit 48 hours. Armenian government Airbus agreed that their VIP corporate jet 701 made a round trip between Yerevan and Yerevan Zarfnats. I'm sorry if I got that wrong. In Moscow. Zartnats and Moscow. Vnukovo. Lavrov invited their FM of Armenia and Azerbaijan. I'm sorry, this is, it's very hard to read for a lot of these Western folk like me. It says Bayramov to Moscow to hold talks. Okay, so they're trying to, flying from Russia, as you can see, Moscow is actually not too far from Georgia because a lot of people in America, like, distances are actually kind of far. So, like I said, they're trying to hold talks and see what's up with that. Let's see right here. This is like more of their capital, which is Yerevan, which I do know is normal. A lot of these names are not. Armenian Defense Ministry denies Baku, which is, I think, the capital of Azerbaijan, statements about the shelling of the city of Mengenchevar. I have to watch more of the Caspian report so I can get used to the names. Shout out, right? Governor Armenia says Russia have to intervene militarily to ensure the security in accordance with the bilateral agreements. That's because, as you can see, let's see the border over here, where it's the oil. The oil pipelines don't go through Armenia because Azerbaijan's like I said, they got oil from from their thing going on. They're going over here. They're missing, Armenia, going literally around them because they're trying to cut them out of the money. So that's why they have so much more power in their military with a lot of like the money and stuff they buy from Turkey. Turkey like pretty much directly intervenes, on the behalf of what is it called, Azerbaijan, which is why they're trying to have Russia because Russia's got people here, and if they get bombed, it's a big deal. Security Service of Armenia arrests foreign citizens on suspicious espionage. Armenian Defense Ministry denies Baku's statement showing. Okay, you read that. So that's like the capital, right? That's more of their political type stuff. And then over here is where all the real wild stuff goes on. So let's zoom into this, which is across the border. See, here's the border. And this is Nagorno-Karabakh. This is the contact line on this, fuzzy pink stuff here with the lines, right? And that's where all the mortar and shelling and all the ATGM attacks are going on. But like I said, they're trying to go across the border bombings and stuff. So check this out. It says, okay, it would stop being huge. Another footage of a missile attack in resident area of Ganja surfaces online. Assistance for President Azerbaijan Hajiev, says the missiles were launched from regions in Armenia. Let's see if we can actually see that. Let's see what's going on. And I just lost the missile attack. And I did. Let's see. I don't know if they have actual video here. Sometimes I have videos, but this time I don't. Yes, they do. Let's see, they're going. And I guess it just happened, and people are kind of running around. Yeah, they're trying to get away from that because these are just regular people that are like, yo, there it is, the smoke cloud. Yeah, that sucks. Do a chime check here. All right. I guess he's explaining what's going on. Wow, that's ridiculous. Hopefully nobody was hurt. Oh, looks like people were. That's unfortunate. Another footage of missile attack. Resident areas in Ganja surfaces online. So here's more actual pictures of that on Twitter. Because Twitter actually has a lot of amazing stuff. Not on the American version, because that's usually just cancer. But this actual version here actually has a lot of pretty insane stuff. Let's see. The number of injured has increased to 32. That's unfortunate. Hopefully those people are right. Photos of the smirched rocket that has not exploded in Ganja. See, like I said, a lot of munitions are duds, depending on where they get it from, or just how long they've had it, or the general upkeep of your hardware. So hopefully no civilians were injured. You know what I mean? Let's see, what's this? He said the explosives were heard in Mingachiver. Okay, again, let's see. Reports of explosions. So this is like another military installation, I think, maybe. 2 of the 3 missiles didn't explode. One of the unexploded missiles has landed in front of the thermal power plant. Others in civilian areas. Okay, so you can see there's a lot going on, I guess, in this area, because this is like near a city to the lake here. This is a large body of water. You see the damage there. Let's see if we can do one of these other ones. There it is. Look at that. So you can see right there what the missile attack Armenia. Oh, come on, dude. I'm trying to destroy my missile video. As you can see, it lands near a power plant. Because things be straying off point, because like they're trying to hit this base, they probably missed. There's like other important targets because they're launching all kinds of stuff. And you can see they're hitting civilians over here, and I don't know what all this stuff is. So we're going to get into this pretty wild stuff down here. So let's see what this is all about. Let's see, all these flags. As you can see today, all these towns are here. I'm not even going to try to read because it is absolutely ridiculous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 have been captured. This is okay. So this is the place where the Azeris have captured into this lower region of Nagorno-Karabakh, which is like this whole like a purpler area. So these are all the areas. Let's see if we got a video here. Armenian MOD released footage of showing the ATGM and artillery strikes on Azeri forces at 48 seconds, and every tank ambushed in an attack. So like I said, they're coming across the border here because the dispute is that this red area that is in dispute is belongs to us. It's not yours. So Armenia has the majority, a vast majority of people there, because Soviet Union was, I guess they thought they were going to invade, from the Caspian Sea. So all their forces went back into Azeri territory. The Armenians pushed forward because there was nobody there, and they pretty much took everything. And then the people left there, and then all the Armenians left Azeri territory, which Armenia. So now that's why they're where they are. And Armenia is landlocked, so now they're militarily outnumbered, but they're really good. So we're gonna take a look at some of this action here. Oh, that's not the right video. Oh, well, and here we go. Sometimes it, yeah. So that, I guess that, I don't know. Sometimes it doesn't work, but they have the video of the thing there, and I guess that's a video of some of the tank destruction. So let's see if some of this works instead. Sometimes. Okay, yeah. So it says, move my face around. Equipment and vehicles seized by Azerbaijan army. Okay, so I guess, as they're, oh, that's loud, blowing my ears away. So let's check this out. So got some trucks that they probably left, so they didn't have to die. They probably got free trucks because, as you see, the drone strikes were blowing up tons of stuff, so they probably left so that they wouldn't die because I don't believe Armenia has any fighter jets. They have lots. They have drones. They have a couple Su-25, ground attack planes, but Turkey and the Azeris have like F-16s that they're actually flying against them, so it's like unfair. So a lot of it had to retreat because they don't have a choice. And this is just some of the stuff that they probably got left behind, artillery pieces and stuff. Because there's really nothing you can do. You don't want to get blown up, so you have to have a different strategy, which is what some of the other videos were, but I don't think they were working. So let's try it again. No, I guess that link's not going to work. Turkish Ministry of Defense. Oh, just like I was saying, after the villages that they have right there, the Azeri army also captured the city of Jabril, which is a strategic position in the Karabakh region. Okay, so as you can see, it's getting pretty spicy down there. Like I said, there's hits all along this contact line. Their artillery is targeting stuff. Let's see if they actually have the video. No. I guess it's not links working either. And you can see there's a lot of civilian injuries here. Let's check this out. Armenia reports. Okay, so that means that this road in and out is functioning normally because, like I said, this is Armenian territory technically. This is a Nagorno-Karabakh. It's like a republic of its own. It's a autonomous zone, I guess you could say, but it's like that's why it's like in contention right now. This road is functioning normally, so they're trying to like make sure that everything else maintains functioning while like this conflict is going on, which is very tough, which is a very important and tough job. 4 killed, 10 wounded in shelling in Shushu in Nagorno-Karabakh. That's unfortunate. Rest in peace. Hopefully that'll become. See, like there's shelling there. They're just letting them go. Yeah, right there. Same thing. Jotsu. Another attack. Like I said, there's shelling. There's no power, electricity. Because, like I said, the shells are going all over the place, and they're just launching it. And look at this. To see. Now they're like just surveying the damage. Like I said, this stuff is destroyed. It's not going to be rebuilt anytime soon, which is very unfortunate. But like I said, this is a conflict over this area, so they're probably going to do a lot because they're trying to take it back right now. They have Turkey's help straight up. Like they're straight up helping them. Let's see video. Let's see. More drone strikes on the Armenian positions because, they don't have, they have anti-air defense, which they have lots of, and they do destroy a lot of drones. But like I said, this is like probably one of their like little things that they got. And this is like a missile that's coming in, I think. Yeah. It's coming in. Surveying. I think that's a tank, like in a little enclosure. Yeah, see? And then it hits them. Let's see, this might be the drone footage right here, like actually like flying above. And no, it's actually the missile. I think it's actually on. It's going towards the tank. There's a lot of tank battles, a lot of infantry battles, tons of stuff going on. But for some reason, a lot of these links ain't working. So, like I said, this is just like a collection of the Azeri like drone footage, like their Ministry of Defense releases. Like, oh, look at us, we've done this, ha ha ha. So that's like one of their videos defending. See, like I said, there's all kinds of shelling going on in all these like small towns back and forth on both sides of the border here. The contended area. Let's see if this is it. So they're denying. Yeah, they're saying, oh yeah, they control this area. Like I said, purple invade here. So Armenian Ministry of Defense releases video showing two Azeri tanks being taken out by ATGMs. Now, if you know anything about like the Kurd videos that I have, we're talking about those ATGMs do some serious work. I don't think they have a video. Like I said, this is like the valley. They just have it going and just like hits. And like I said, I don't think the link is working. So unfortunately, there's no like refreshing that, which sucks. And like I said, they're over here on the contact line trying to come through. And so there's a lot going on. Just a little quick rundown video of this, like the little contact line. Like I said, there's other stuff going on in this area because Turkey's trying to squeeze them out over here by helping them. They're doing the Syria stuff. They're doing the northern Iraq stuff. They got the Mediterranean stuff going on. They got the stuff in Libya where they're like helping, these forces over here from Tripoli trying to come over here towards Sirte, like the major oil hub over here. They got the stuff going on against Greece. So like I said, Turkey's really trying to do it right now. So that's just a quick rundown video. I will definitely see y'all in another video this afternoon. Hope this audio actually works, and I will see y'all later.